Hello, Chris Biggs here from chrisbiggs.com. I want to ask you, have you ever thought, who should I talk to about my business, my opportunity and my service? And it takes you all day to pick courage up to talk to people or to find people online and offline. I'll share you one strategy, okay, that will guarantee to open up people for you to talk to. It's simple, easy, and it will give you some leads. Okay? Right. You sat there on my computer, if you're working online, and thinking, who should I talk to? I have no one to talk to, and you spend all day trying to message people, try to interact with people online or cold market. These cold market are people that you don't know. So what about the warm market, your friends, people you know, or even your lukewarm market, people who you've spoke to in the past? I bet when you look at it, there's many people there if you chat to. Okay, one strategy I use, okay, simple, basic, and be honest, I overcomplicate things because my background's coaching and I analyse things. So I thought, right, who can I speak to? Who can I ask and I chat to online, Facebook, using my messenger? So have a look at your messenger, go all the way through, type in, press on one message and open a big window and loads of messages on the left hand side. So you open Messenger up, open up Messenger, and on the left hand side, all the people you speak to. Have a look where you've left off that conversation last. And I bet, I guarantee, there's some messages in your inbox that they've asked you a question or they've asked you something, and because life is so busy, you've got kids, or you've got dogs, or you're speaking to so many people online, I bet there's some messages there that you haven't replied to. And if you have, fair play, good on you. And just pick up the chat you had before. That will open up people for you to speak to. Some might tell you where to go. That's fair enough. Like I said, my last video, you have thick skin in this business. And if you say no, it doesn't matter. Okay? And pick up conversation where you left off. Have a look through a few messages, go in your messenger, that person, and then bring the conversation back to life. That will guarantee people, can't speak today, guarantee people for you to speak to about the business opportunity or just open up a fresh conversation again. It could be a couple of months ago, could be a year ago, a couple of days ago, you spoke to that person, and I bet their life has changed. Ask questions. And don't be like a salesy person. No, like a hunter. Just be yourself and be honest. And that will open up a conversation for you and leads for your business, opportunity, service, wherever you got. And if you are a bit nervous about it and you need more training, have a look in Chris Briggs /system. That will help you get leads online and generate how to use online for your business. Have a look down Chris Briggs /system, and that will help you out. Okay. Also, before I go, don't forget, if you want to keep updated with these tips and training and strategies, click on the subscribe button, have notifications, and every time I come online and do videos, you get a notification. And you can see also my journey as well, and you can see yours. So, Messenger, have a look at messages, have a look where you left off, and ask questions and regenerate that conversation again. That will give you leads to open up conversation about your business. Okay? And if you don't worry. just go through messages time. Because sometimes we overcomplicate it. We look for fresh people all the time online, but we've already got people sitting in our inbox waiting for you to have a chat. Okay, so hope that quick tip helps. Let me know if it works, and come back to this video and put a comment below. Okay, so till then, have a stand day and take care. Oh, I can't find it off button.